Is it possible to fix unified text formats? Format Painter can help us copy a specific format and paste it into other text. Take this document as an example. We need to apply the title's format to other titles. Click Edit to get into edit mode. Select the text content that we want to copy. Click the Format Painter icon, then click Copy Format. Then select the content to which we want the format to apply. Select Paste Format to apply the format to these texts. Quick access for Copy Format and Paste Format can be found in the floating menu. Only one click is needed to copy a specific format and paste it as many times as you want. For example, we can continue to paste the format to other selected content. Want to explore more practical skills? Download WPS Office on PC and give it a try.